In my last vlog, you have seen Dubai Frame and Alsif. Today, I'll take you to the desert safari with me.
And welcome to the another episode of Dubai series. Today is our 6th day in Abu Dhabi and right now we are going to the desert safari. It's 1:30. We will take bus from here.
And it's 55 km from Abu Dhabi. Almost 1 hour लगा हमें जाने में.
इसके बाद आप अंदर जैसे कैंप में एंटर करोगे तो लेफ्ट साइड में जो पहला शॉप है वहाँ पे आपको सैंड बोर्डिंग फ्री मिलेगा. अपना आईडी देके सैंड बोर्ड ले सकते हैं, वो आपके लिए फ्री है, पैकेज में है. और लेफ्ट साइड में ही जो सेकंड शॉप है वहाँ पे आपका टी कॉफी
As soon as you reach, you can experience the bumpy rides. It's called dune bashing, which was thrilling experience and it was just for 10 to 15 minutes only. Now they brought us to do the camel safari. It is just for 5 minutes or less. And when the camel was getting up, it was a bit scary, but later on it was okay. But it was interesting too because we are doing it first time.
Hi guys, so we have reached and this is the camp. Right now we are in the camp. You can see the stage behind me. बेली डांस होगा जहाँ पर, और ये छोटे छोटे कुछ स्टॉल्स हैं जो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. यहाँ पे आपको पानी और हिना और ड्रेसेस मिलेंगे, यहाँ के जो ट्रेडिशनल अटायर है. और ये खाने पीने का छोटा मोटा स्टॉल है. चलो बन.
और हमारी कुहू बहुत एक्साइटेड है मेहंदी का डिज़ाइन बनवाने के लिए. मैंने नहीं बनवाया बिकॉज आई हैव टू फिल्म दिस वीडियो. और आप ये जो शॉप देख रहे हो, इसमें आपको बॉटल्स में बने हुए सैंड आर्ट मिलेंगे एंड वी फाउंड इट रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, सो वी बॉट 1 बॉटल फॉर अस. और भी कई सारे छोटे छोटे डिस्प्ले आइटम्स हैं, बट ये अगर आप आबू धाबी से लोगे तो आपको कम प्राइस में मिलेंगे. मेरे लिए डेजर्ट पे आना बहुत एक्साइटिंग है बिकॉज़ मैं पहली बार आई हूँ, तो इसलिए हम थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करने आसपास जा रहे हैं. एंड द सन इज़ अबाउट टू सेट, सो इट्स लुकिंग ऑसम राइट नाउ. I'm really enjoying it. I want to visit the Thar desert also, which is in India, because I am loving this place. refreshing experience, we came back to the camp and we are doing some photo shoot with the eagle. And after this, she got scared. Now we will go and sit and we'll have some snacks. I'm hungry by the way. So while eating, we will enjoy the belly dance and the traditional dance. It was awesome and they called me too to dance, but this skirt or whatever it is called, it was so heavy. That's it, it got over after the dance session.
Hey guys, so this is the second last day in in Abu Dhabi, and today we will be going to Burj Al Arab and then Burj Khalifa, then the Dubai Mall, and the rest of the things are closed now because of this coronavirus. So I'll see you there.
Before we go to the Burj Khalifa, we came to Burj Al Arab, which is the tallest hotel in the world. We just came here to enjoy the beach view and to do some photo shoot. Now we are going to Burj Khalifa. It's nearby only, just 16 minutes by the car. We arrived to the most awaited place, and Burj Khalifa is the tallest building till now. But there are other buildings also in the race to become the tallest. And I must say this is the most incredible thing I have ever seen after the Taj Mahal. And the fountain was closed because of the scenario going on. और ये आइसक्रीम मैजिक शो एंजॉय ना किया हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो here I am enjoying the magic show. We are going to the mall, and this is the second largest mall in the world by the land area. बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग है दुबई में. Dubai trip ki video, and this was the last episode. Hope you liked it. Do subscribe and comment. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.